Hi guys, this is GHPK again, and today I am going to show you how to repartition your Micromax Unite 2 A106 mobile handset. Now let's check out the uptime my phone has given me up till now. Uptime is 539 hours 29 minutes and counting. So I would say this is the best handset in this price range. I have not rebooted it for so many days and still it is working great. I don't see any lags or anything. Only problem I have come across is the storage is getting out of space and I can't update any applications. So before I repartition it, I need to make a backup, and that backup should be made via the SP Flash tool. That will be your full backup, and you have to download this tool and you have to download a scatter file for that. Then only you can backup this complete ROM and all your data. So that backup may not be needed, but it is advised to have that backup with you so that if anything is messed up, you can still restore your phone to the state you have it on right now. Repartitioning your Micromax Unite to A106 phone. This is a 8 GB model. I have just taken the full backup using the SP Flash tool. Now I'll proceed with the repartitioning of this handset. So to repartition, you have to have the SP Flash tool, required scatter file, and the EBR1 and EBR2 files. To proceed with the repartition, you have to open the SP Flash tool. You have to run this SP Flash tool. It will load up. Then you have to load the scatter file for your 8 GB model. I'll load this scatter file. Then you have to select the EBR1 and EBR2 files on this menu. You can see this EBR is written. You double click on it and you select the files you need for the repartitioning. I have selected this file. Now you have to select the EBR2, double click on that. It will give you the same location. I'm using the 3-3 version, which should give me around 3 GB of app storage and 3 GB for the phone storage. Now once these two files are selected, once both the EBR1 and EBR2 files are selected, which are the modified EBR files for the repartitioning, you have to go back to your phone and turn it off. You have to power off your handset. Once you power off your handset, you have to remove your battery. Then you have to connect your phone then without the battery. Once you connect it, you have to click on download. It will ask you that not all images are correctly loaded. You just ignore this warning and click yes. It will start the modification of EBR files. You just remove the USB cable and reinsert it. The phone should get detected. You can see the progress bar, and very quickly you will see the download OK button. It will show you that all the files have been successfully uploaded to your phone. So once this process is complete, you can safely close the SP Flash tool. You have to return back to your phone, reinsert the battery. Now this phone should boot up properly. I expect this to go on smoothly. Most probably it will come up with the modified data partition space. So in my case, I am getting damaged internal SD card. So you don't have to panic on this error. You just reboot your phone to the recovery. I'll go to recovery. I have turned off the phone and I am pressing the volume up and down button and then pressing the power button. It will ask me to go to recovery by selecting up volume key. Once you are in CWM recovery and this problem still remains, that the recovery comes up inverted, so you have to careful while you operate on this mode. Go to advanced, you wipe the Dalvik cache. Once Dalvik cache is wiped, you go to wipe your cache partition. This will show formatting cache. It will take a while. You can see cache wipe has completed. It took a lot of time in getting this completed. Now you have to reboot the system. I was getting internal card damaged error. I have cleared the Dalvik cache and the cache partition. Now Android is upgrading and optimizing applications, so you have to wait for this to complete. I had 147 applications installed, so it is going to take a lot of time in getting completed. So I was getting the invalid SD card error or SD card damage, and I was getting prompted for formatting it. So I formatted the card and it went through very well, and you can see the internal memory space has been edited. Total space is 3.64 GB and available is 3.50 GB, and the application space has increased to 2.36 GB and available is 1.5 GB. That is because I updated all the pending applications in my phone. So this is how you repartition the Micromax Unite 2 A106 handset. Take care about the precautions. Make sure you don't try this if you are not familiar with what you are doing. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and please do share, like and comment on this video. Thank you.